Hi there. Hey, I'm here at a local Home Depot here in the Rochester area. Just want to show you something that might save you a lot of heartache in the future regarding cleaning products for your hardwood floor, LVT or LVP floors, as well as laminated floors that you may have in your home. We're seeing this quite frequently with our clients here in the Rochester area. So let me just turn the camera around and show you what I'm talking about. So one popular cleaner that we find is the Bona hardwood floor cleaners and multi-surface floor cleaners, and you have to determine and see the difference between the word cleaner right there and polish right there. So some people are putting the polish on their floors instead of the cleaner and running into issues. Same thing for the Rejuvenate line of products for hardwood and luxury vinyl floors that are cleaners, but then they also sell these polishes or restorers and whatnot. Also, what's very confusing is the Quick Shine products. Quick Shine has a line of floor cleaners and floor polishes and finishes. So you can see that they're labeled similarly and they can be confusing, and it's really easy to grab the wrong product. If you put the finish or the polish on the floors, what can happen is that builds up over time, can get dirty and scratched looking, and you have to pay a contractor like us to remove that polish or finish, and it can cost you perhaps $1,000 or more to have that done in your home, to get it removed, to get your floor back to its original condition. So just a quick reminder to be careful when using these products. It's very easy to get confused and apply the wrong product to the floor, and it can look streaky and horrible, and then you have to pay to have it removed. Our first picture here shows a client who used a Quick Shine type floor finish on their floor. And what happened was, over the next couple of years, it kind of darkened with soiling as well as getting scratches on it and so forth. So it shows the difference. We did a little test area there in the middle where it's very clean, but you can see around the outside how it's so much dirtier looking. So we were able to do a successful test showing that we could strip the product out without ruining the floor. This is a laminate style floor, so we had to be careful not to get it too wet, because it could start to delaminate and look horrible and ruin the floor, actually taking the finish off. So once we were able to get a system down, the second picture shows us mid-process. We carefully sprayed a small amount of stripper on the floor, machine scrubbed it, then wet vacuumed it and rinse mopped with a microfiber flat mop. Got it dry quickly, and the last picture shows the good result of taking the finish off. And the client loved the final result. The floor is back to a like new, shiny looking condition without any topical sealer on it. So while these products can be fine for their intended purpose, just be aware that you might have to strip them later once they start to ugly out, as it were. Also be very careful when you go to clean a floor that you're using a product that is actually a cleaner and not a product that is actually a finish or a polish or whatever word they'll use to show that there's a topical coating that you're applying. So I hope this information helps. We'll see you down the road. Have a great day.